Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another radio from Jeff's collection. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. This is, guess what, from Radio Shack. This is a model 12-467. Came out in about the year 2000. It requires 3 AA batteries. And I'm not going to completely take them out, but I wanted to show you something. You'd say, no, it's only 2. Well, they've got a third one buried down behind this one. So that's where they get the 3 batteries. And let me see if I can get the cover back on. There we go. Analog tuning. Come on, camera, focus. Wake up. It's just because it's early in the morning. I'm awake. You need to be awake. So AM and FM. He got this off the Facebook Marketplace, and he paid $18 for it, and it works perfect, and it looks perfect. I mean, Jeff is really good at finding perfect radios that are many years old. Let me just turn on here for a second. This is the on-off volume, tuning knob, band select, telescopic antenna,
Lucas, the director of the Texas Funeral
which
Directors Association, says that they've
about
sent
18
caskets,
inches.
embalmers, hearses. They're doing anything they can to support the city's
Now
two
this
funeral
station,
homes, which are
let me
just
turn the
not
volume
equipped to
down.
handle this.
This station is the one that's in Tampa, University of South Florida, down in the lower part of the FM band. I can do a quick scan of the bands right now. Let me turn the volume back
They're
up.
coming to you to do something very personal for them.
The other day,
It's amazing. I love that. By the way,
Now, Doc, when the corpsman goes down,
Audio is
take care
very
of the
clear.
corpsman when the corpsman's injured.
It locks on the signals.
You must study my work.
Vasco, Playa.
Lots of music, of course. Okay, let's quickly switch to AM. I'm in my office, so we're going to have a lot of interference. Top of the AM band. Tunes real smooth. Trying to lock in on one there.
Again, and a lot of
Very
interesting
clear.
news out there.
Lots
At
of
the same
volume.
time, we're almost
I think I've only got it turned up
summer-
about
the summer
1/3.
doldrums, so to speak, in the market. So we have another.
Of course, like I say, it's very directional. See there? Very directional.
Ways that we do that is recovery through sport.
Picking up a lot of stations. The tuning is very stiff, which makes it smooth, so it doesn't jump around. A little rough on my finger, though.
But yeah, Raise Up. Don't forget, we are your home of Rays baseball, by the way. You can hear every game right here on 95.3 WD.
Okay, that's about it. Let me turn this volume back down. Matter of fact, I'll turn it off. The volume control is a little scratchy. Not too bad. Like I say, this is about 2000, year 2000 vintage and later. I don't know what it cost originally from Radio Shack. I do have some of those old catalogs, so I could have looked it up, but I didn't think about it until just now. In pristine, whoops, let's get this antenna down before I break it off. The antenna completely retracts out of the way. Does not have a carrying strap or a clip or anything. There's the earphone jack. That's about it. Again, I want to thank Jeff. Oh, wait a minute. Let me look at that close. Yeah, that is a place that a carrying strap would attach to, right there. That little knobby thing there, it's got a hole in it. So that's where it would attach. Pretty nice. Thanks for Jeff for loaning me these radios. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm doing shows you're interested in, not wasting your time. And have a great day. Bye-bye.